Now I'm talking about acquired immune deficiency syndrome, AIDS. The cause of AIDS acquired immune deficiency syndrome is HIV, acronym for the human immunodeficiency virus. HIV has also been called the human lymphotropic virus type 3rd, the lymphadenopathy associated virus, and the lymphadenopathy virus. No matter what name is applied, it is a retrovirus. A retrovirus has RNA genome and a reverse transcriptase enzyme. Using the reverse transcriptase, the virus uses its RNA as template for making complementary DNA, which integrate into the DNA of the host organism. Although the American researcher Robert Gallo at the National Institute of Health (NIH) believed he was the first to find HIV, it is now generally accepted that the French physician Luc Montagnier 1932 and his team at the Pasteur Institute discovered HIV in 1983-84. AIDS is a fatal disease comprising serious clinical condition of various manifestations characterized by underlying cellular immunodeficiency. AIDS is caused by a retrovirus HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Previously, it was called HTLV 3rd, human T lymphocyte virus 3rd, by Robert Gallo, or LAV, lymphadenopathy associated virus by Luc Montagnier. HIV residue chiefly within T lymphocyte and mainly destroys T4 cells, which play a central role in maintaining the body's response to infection. तो एड्स का जो वायरस है वो है ह्यूमन इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी वायरस, जिसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल आरएनए होता है. Now I'm talking about symptoms of HIV/AIDS. Most HIV infection do not have any symptoms. A person infected with HIV can remain healthy and symptom free for many years. कभी कभी एड्स के सिम्टम हफ्तों सालों तक भी नहीं दिखाई देते हैं. If HIV leads to AIDS, serious symptom can develop and can ultimately lead to death. Signs and symptoms may include everything from fever and rashes to lesions, soaking night sweat and blurred vision. AIDS has the following symptoms in men and women. Number 1, weight loss. 2nd, regular headaches, fever, tiredness, breathlessness, severe diarrhea, recurring night sweat, spot and marks on face around the mouth, swelling up of lymph gland. Early symptoms of AIDS may be vague and ill-defined. They include weight loss, fever, diarrhea, oral thrush, and enlargement of the lymph glands. Not all early symptoms will go on to develop the full-blown illness. A number of individuals develop a mild condition known as ARC, AIDS-related complex. In severe condition, the patient may develop pneumonia, Kaposi sarcoma, a skin cancer, and lymphoma, cancer of lymph system. Although AIDS has a long incubation period, possibly 5 years, but once it develops, there is a rapid decline in health. For an individual who develops AIDS, the likelihood of death with a year is very high. Now I am talking about transmission of AIDS. AIDS is transmitted by blood transfusion, hypodermic needles shared by addicts and male homosexual or by multiple heterosexual intercourse. It may also be transmitted from infected mother to child before, during, or shortly after birth, or through milk of breastfeeding mothers. As far as is known, the virus is not transmitted by touch, saliva, or non-sexual contact. छूने या किस करने से एड्स नहीं फैलता है. साथ में खाना खाने से भी एड्स नहीं फैलता है. A widely used diagnostic test for AIDS is enzyme-linked immunoabsorbent assay, ELISA test, ALISA. Now I am talking about treatment. There is no cure for HIV, but there are treatment options that allow HIV positive individuals to live long, healthy life. There is no effective treatment. Avoidance of drug abuse and promiscuous homosexual intercourse are best preventive measures. Moreover, those at risk for AIDS should not be blood donor. A recently introduced drug N-butyl deoxynizoramycin, however, holds some promise. Currently, AZT, azidothymidine, which prevents reverse transcription, is used for treatment of AIDS. Patients who receive AZT showed increased number of circulating helper T cell, increased immunological capacity, a virostatic effect, weight gain, and improved general well-being. In our country, the National AIDS Control Organization (NACO) and other non-government organizations (NGOs) are doing a lot to educate people about AIDS. Consideration: although treatment options have improved greatly in recent years, HIV remains a serious threat. Many people are unaware of their status until late stage, but unfortunately, people are the most contagious soon after becoming infected. Being infected with other STIs can make you more susceptible to HIV. Prevention of STDs. STD are major threat to healthy society. Prevention or early detection and cure of STD are given prime consideration under the reproductive health care programs. Though all persons are vulnerable to these infections, their incidence are reported to be very high among persons in the age group of 15 to 24 years. Abstinence from any sexual contact is the only absolute way to preventing getting an STD. STD can be prevented by avoid sex with unknown partner or multiple partner, have a long-term monogamous relationship, asking partner if they have ever had an STD, asking partner to be tested before having sex, always use condom during coitus, being aware of symptoms and signs of STD. In case of doubts, go to qualified doctor for early detection and get proper treatment if diagnosed with the disease.